Computer science videos here today to show you guys in tutorial 70 how to privatize your page on Instagram using your iPhone. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to the iPhone itself, the Instagram application. So now we can go all the way to the iPhone, go to Instagram, click on Instagram, make sure you're signed into the account, go to your profile, and then swipe left. Go to settings, go to privacy, click on privacy, account privacy, click on this. To turn your account into a private account, click on the button. When your account is private, only people you approve can see your photos and videos on Instagram. However, your existing followers won't be affected. So now the account itself has been privatized, as we can tell on top with the lock. If we switch accounts for the moment, go to my other account and then search for computer science videos. And now we can see the account has been privatized. In order to see the account, you must follow and then I must accept. Go back to computer science videos. Go back to your account, go back to your profile, go back to your iPhone homepage. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.